seed germination. What is germination? Germination is the process of seed growing into a new plant. Clear? And in this process, firstly the seed will absorb water and swells up, then seed coat break हो जाएगा, and then radicle appear and grow downward, and then plumule grow upward, and then the germinating seed takes its food from the cotyledon. But as it grows, जैसे जैसे plant बढ़ेगा, the cotyledon will drop off, and then the leaves of growing plant make its food by own by the process of photosynthesis. Clear? Next, life cycle of plant. See here, this is a picture. Seed, firstly seed will produce this is a picture of seed. Firstly seed will grow into immature plant called seedling. Clear? Then it grows to adulthood, or we can say that it form a mature plant. Then the mature plant will form seeds again, and it will begin the next life cycle. Clear? Next, dispersal of seeds. What is the dispersal of seed? Means scattering of seed away from the mother plant, or we can say that parent plant is called dispersal of seed. And the agents of dispersal of seed are wind, water, animals, and explosion of fruits. I'll explain you one by one. See here, dispersal by wind. Clear? Some seeds are very light and get dispersed by wind. Example, seed of sunflower, seed of mother, seed of drumstick. Next, dispersal by animals. Some seeds have hooks on it, means उसके ऊपर कांटे होते हैं, and they stick to the fur of animals and get dispersed. Example, fruit of tiger nail, fruit of xanthium, etc. Clear? Next, dispersal by explosive mechanism, or we can say that explosion. Means some fruits like peas or ladyfinger burst with a great force and scatter the seeds away from the mother plant. By this process the seed grows into a new plant if they'll get the right condition of air, water, heat and light. Clear? Next, dispersal by water. Some seeds are dispersed through water. See, here is a picture of lotus. These seeds are dispersed through waters and have a tendency to float, and they have a spongy fibrous outer coat such as in coconut. आपने देखा ही है, coconut में outer core होती है, fibrous outer core, which helps them in floating, and it can float, or we can say that travel for thousands of kilometers across seas and ocean without decaying. Clear? Next, lotus is also an example of water dispersal. Clear? Now listen this video carefully and learn all the question answers and keywords for test. Okay?